Change and decay in all around I see. O thou who changest not, abide with me. If you need any more help.
Thank you. Fergus, would you mind looking after the children for a little while? I need to speak with Marsali.
Of course.
Thank you. There's something I want to show you. But Marsali, do you trust me?
Right.
You promised you'd let me explain.
Lord have mercy on us!
Stop shouting. Marsali, please.
Deliver us from evil. Then make me say it, Claire. Then make me say it. Was she right, Mama? Was she?
I'm not a witch. And Marsali, you have more sense than that. That is why I brought you here. Now, knowing me as you do for as long as you have, why do you think Mr. Farish is on this table?
Who did we bury?
No one. Roger and I filled the coffin with rocks.
Should a physician not be more concerned with the living?
The curse of the living is that they can't tell you the secrets of the dead.
And what secrets might those be?
Well, how to save those who are still here with us. How to perform life-saving surgeries. You know, we physicians, we learn by practicing on the dead. And I think you would be a good apprentice. Now, I've seen you butchering. You know how to use a knife. You understand the parts of an animal and what they're for. People are similar in many ways. See for yourself.
God help us.
Well, I believe he does. It's a miraculous thing, the human body. And I want to use this body to teach you so that we can protect God's miracle. Marsali, you are kind and caring and you've the right instincts. And I need help.
But you... I could never defile a body.
I didn't defile him. I did what's called an autopsy to learn why he died.
So you can find out what killed a man by cutting him open?
Yes. Now, I couldn't save Mr. Farish, but this way his death will mean something. Help save others. And after I finish teaching you, we'll stitch him up and give him a proper burial, I promise. Roger even said he would help.
Stitch him up? Like a seamstress?